how to use can and could in English. We mostly use these two common words for 1. Ability, what we know how to do. Use can for now. Use could for the past. I can read a lot of books. I couldn't read books when I was 5. She could ride a horse when she was a child. She can drive a car now. He could play the piano before. He can't play the piano now. She can cook very well. She couldn't cook when she was younger. Could and can are also used for permission, asking to do something. Could is more formal. Can I sit here? Can I call you later? Could I borrow your pen, please? Could I ask a question? They're also used for possibility, may be true or happens. Could is less sure than can. Where's Tom? He could be at home. We could go to the beach if the weather is nice. It can be very cold here in winter. You can find good pizza in Italy. One important use of could is to talk about imaginary situations. If you had a car, you could drive us to the station. If it stopped raining, she could go for a walk. If I studied more, I could pass the exam.